Okay, in problem set 15, we have already seen question number 1. Now let us see question number 2, which says convert the common fraction into decimal fraction. We have to convert these common fractions into decimal fraction. Now, when we are converting decimal fraction, as we have seen before, that in denominator, there should be specific numbers in tens. That should be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, or so on. Okay, so we have to convert denominators in these numbers and then directly we can do it in very easiest manner. So 3 upon 4. Now one by one we will see. Can 4 be converted into 10? 10 doesn't comes in 4 table. So no. Now we will see next number. 100. Can 4 be converted into 100? Yes. 4 how many times? 425 times. If we are multiplying 25 in denominator, we have to multiply 25 in numerator. So that gives us 75 upon 100. And at the end, I have told you how to write this fraction in decimal fraction. We will write the denominator. We will count the 0. 1, 2, 2 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 2 zeros from right hand side, and then decimal, and then we will put a 0 over here. Okay, so 3 by 4 when written in decimal fraction is 0.75. Okay, let's see next 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5, this can be easily converted into 10. 5 2s are 10. Means in numerator we have to multiply by 2 only, which gives us 8. So first we will write numerator as it is. We will count 0, which is 1, 1 0, and then a decimal. Since no number is there, so I am writing 0 over here. Now 9 by 8. Now 8 can't be converted into 10. 8 can't be converted into 100, but 8 can be converted into 1000. And that is how many times? 125 times. Means in numerator also we have to multiply same number, which gives us 1125. Now this trick, how to know this one? Now since we are solving practice set, so in question number 1 itself we saw that one fraction was there 25 upon 8, wherein in question only it was given 8 into 125 gives us 1000. So from that we can make out that we have to multiply 125, but during exam for that you should be thorough with the table part, multiplication part. Now how to convert this? So I am writing 1125 numerator, counting the 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 and the decimal over here. Okay, I want 4th and 5th to be done by your own. So these two sums are homework. Let's see 6th one and 7th one. 7 upon 25. 25 can be converted into 100 by multiplying 4. So we have to multiply 4 in numerator, which gives us 28 upon 100. That will be 1, 2. So 0.28. Lastly, 19 by 200. So 19 by 200. 200 can be converted into 1000 by multiplying 5. Hence 19 should also be multiplied by 5. That gives us 95 upon 1000. Now let us write 95 first and let us count the 0. That is 1, 2, 3. So count with me. 1, 2, 3. There is no third number. So 3. 1, 2, 3. Third number we will take 0. Then decimal and then one more 0. So this is how we are going to convert common fraction into decimal fraction.